Biennale, part 3. Let's go and have a look. Now what I haven't shown you in these is the first few on this side. So let's come straight in. Alison Kinnaird. Wow. That's nice. That is nice. Lick Galloway. Kate takes aim. Stained glass. Kate Bush. Looks good, doesn't it? Isn't it good? And then quite a few people have told me about this. Sandra Young. What are these? Now I've seen these and I've been sort of unsure about these. So you can't see them clearly in this light. They need better light. But they're identical faces, just different colours. This is... Richard Jackson. Oh, blimey. Oh, blimey. Oh, my life. Look at the detail on that. Oh, I love that texture. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Just where you don't expect it. Oh. I wonder if some of that's intentional. I wonder if it's... Sometimes if things don't go exactly right, somebody might make the decision to change something slightly. This is actually really strong. This is such a strong piece. There's some lovely little striations going through there. It's huge, huge piece. That's 26 inches diameter, 28 inches diameter. I love it. It's very good. Well done, Richard. Oh, they're poppy heads. They're poppy heads. Oh, don't they look cool? They're all poppy heads. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, they're great. Steve Bell Metamorphosis. I'd say the light's a bit too far away for this. So it's a glass stencil, 3D printed. Wow. That's pretty cool. She's got the wrong end of the stick. Oh, hold your hand close to the copper. Start listening to hear a voice, new voice. Move your hand away and back to the copper handle again. No. Juliet Forest. Juliet Forest. This is cool. This is really, really good. Look at that fish there. Oh, this is really pretty. Love that. This one's really interesting. So this is Richard Platt. Very fresh fish. And this is slightly mad. The thing we like about this, it's got one of these zappy bug things up here. Can you hear it zap? And it's all mechanical. Things move around. Mick the fish, sustainably sourced Hastings fish, with all the prices there. Isn't it good? Isn't it good? No discounts. No discounts. The crab moves as well, I think. No sea bass ever. That's cool. This is another one I like. Charlotte Hughes-Martin. Love this Charlotte. Love the fact that you've emptied these tins out and you put bits of glass in there, and it's called social distance. And it's great. I love that. Look at that little person there. That's a great little collection. Love it. And then there's this. And this is screen. That's been lit by that and filmed by something else. Is it filmed by that as well? Probably. This is by Cherise Appleby. And this is showing just what's going on inside this piece of glass. And the UV light. It's cool, isn't it? With that little thing buzzing away. It's a great little collection there, just as you come in through the door, both sides. Looks really good.